Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on True Tone on your iPhone. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on True Tone on your iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you're in Settings, scroll down a little and tap Display and Brightness. Here in the Display and Brightness section is where you can customize different screen settings, such as appearance, brightness, text size, and more. So just scroll down a little until you find the True Tone option. And once you see it, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. And that's it. True Tone is now enabled on your iPhone. What True Tone does is it automatically adjusts your screen's color and warmth based on the lighting around you, making the display look more natural and comfortable to view in different environments. So don't worry if you notice your screen becoming slightly warmer or cooler after turning it on. That's completely normal and means the feature is working. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.